Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about new features of Wondershare Filmora 13. They have packed in some incredible new AI features that are going to save you time, break down language barriers and even create custom music for your projects. Let's jump right in. But before we get started, we are thrilled to announce the Filmora Virpo AI Video Challenge. Gear up to win big prizes by creating an amazing AI video using Filmora powerful editing tool and Virpo AI features. So make a video with Filmora and Virpo AI tool and share your video on social media platform with hashtag Filmora Virpo AI video and please tag @Filmora_editor and @Wondershare Virpo. And you will win Filmora cross-platform annual plan, ChatGPT Plus plan and Virpo yearly plan. Winners will be announced on April 4th on social media channels. So what are you waiting for? The link is available in the video description. Now let's talk about Wondershare Filmora 13's AI feature, AI Translation. So with AI Translation, you can translate your videos in minutes with Filmora 13. First thing first, drag and drop your video clip into the timeline.
If you thought smartwatches are always going to be expensive and not really value for money,
And look for the AI Translation icon on the timeline toolbar. It might be hidden under the three-dot menu. So click that to reveal all the options. Once you spot the AI Translation icon, a pop-up window will appear giving you some cool choices. Here is where you decide what kind of translation you want. Translate voice and text. This is the fully package. It translates both the spoken dialogue and any text overlays in your videos. And translate text only. This option focuses on translating any text overlays or captions in your videos. Great for subtitles. Now tell Filmora the original language of your video clip in the source language section. Then choose your target language from the target language drop-down menu. Filmora 13 supports a ton of language, so you have a lot of flexibility. Once you have got everything set up, simply click the translate button. Filmora will work its AI magic, analyzing your video and generating the translated audio. This might take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. When Filmora is a new audio track with the translated voiceover, hit play to preview your video.
إذا كنت تعتقد أن الساعات الذكية باهظة الثمن دائما وليس لها قيمة حقيقية، فإن الأمور على وشك التغيير. أطلقت ميشا مؤخرا ساعات ذكية بأسعار.
And there you have it. With Filmora 13's AI translation feature, you can easily break down language barriers and reach a global audience. This is a game changer for video creators. Now let's talk about speech to text. If you're tired of manually transcribing interviews, lectures or any video with audio, this is a lifesaver. It is a fantastic time saver, especially for YouTubers and content creators who deal with a lot of video files. It's accurate, easy to use and lets you focus on the creative parts of video editing. Filmora 13 supports a bunch of languages, so choose the one that matches your video's audio. You can choose to transcribe the entire video or just a specific clip on the timeline. Once you have set your options, hit that button and Filmora 13 goes to work. And now let's talk about AI Music Generator. For those of you who struggle to find the perfect royalty-free music or just don't have the time, Filmora 13 uses artificial intelligence to create original soundtracks based on your needs. Click on the Audio tab, then click on AI Music. Filmora 13 offers a variety of modes to choose from: happy, sad, exciting, chill. Now let's pick a theme for your music. Think about the genre that would complement your video. Do you want some driving beats, funky vibes, or maybe a touch of rock? Filmora 13 has a great selection. And next you need to set the desired music duration. You can choose how long you want the music to play, and Filmora let you generate up to 6 different variations based on your mood and theme selection. Now sit back and let the AI work its magic. In a few seconds, Filmora will create unique music tracks based on your selection. Once done, you can download it and use it in your videos. Filmora 13's AI music generator is a fantastic tool for video editors of all levels. So if you are looking to take your video editing to the next level, be sure to check out Filmora 13. Link is available in the video description. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.